actor died on Sunday, June 30, at the age of 82. Olu Jacobs, a multiple award-winning actor, has been battling dementia for some time. In a recent interview, his wife Silva said her husband's poor health had changed him significantly, adding that Olu Jacobs is no longer the man she walked down the aisle with 37 years ago. "It hasn't been easy. There was a point of acceptance for me that everything happening is reality. It is like the person I married, 80% of the time, is no longer there," she said, "but the thing is this, when he was there, he was an incredible father to his children and an amazing husband. He was practically my best friend." Silva said despite her husband's health challenge, she has not stopped loving him. "The husband I knew is no longer there for me. This man that is here is someone I still love, but love in a different way," she said. The veteran actor passed away at the age of 82 after a protracted sickness that kept him away from the screen. Jacobs, celebrated as one of Africa's greatest actors and a stalwart in the entertainment world, leaves behind a legacy of exceptional contributions to the industry. Silva, his wife and fellow actor, described Jacobs as a godfather in Nollywood, credited with paving the way for many emerging talents. "His love for acting was inspiring, and his dedication to his craft was unwavering," she said, reflecting on his profound influence. Throughout his illustrious career, Jacobs starred in numerous British television series and international films, earning a plethora of awards and accolades. His versatility and commitment earned him recognition as a bridge between older and newer generations of actors, noted Pete Adoki, a close friend and fellow actor. The news of Jacobs' passing has reverberated throughout the entertainment industry, prompting an outpouring of tributes from fans and colleagues alike. A spokesperson for the Africa Movie Academy described him as a true legend and cultural icon whose impact on the film industry will be enduring. Genevieve Nagy, a prominent Nollywood actress, paid homage to Jacobs as a towering figure of the screen. "His legacy will continue to inspire generations to come," she remarked, echoing the sentiments of many who acknowledged his lasting influence.